Oh, you gotta love it, right? I wouldn't have made it 16 years so far if I didn't love kids. It's the fresh ideas, you know. I always learn from them as much as I can share ideas with them. So Broadcast Bootcamp, it's a class for any grade level and any ability, right? So we'll put together news packages. We'll find out what goes into a good news package, the good techniques for capturing audio and video, and then turning those into stories that you share with the rest of the camp.
Oh, I'm really interested in doing this kind of stuff. It's sort of like a passion of mine. I just started doing video stuff in high school, and I kind of came to this camp to expand my knowledge of it, you know.
We'll have kids that range in abilities from just I've never held a camera to this is my third time at camp, and I got to host, you know, the announcements last year. So there's a range of abilities, but we really try to customize it so everybody leaves with just a little bit more than they came with. Those people that have never touched the camera, they're going to be comfortable. They're going to be comfortable going out and grabbing their own footage and grabbing their own B-roll and walking up to a stranger and making a connection and asking those questions, which is, for a young person, the hardest thing to do. It's a great experience, so when they go back to their school environment, you know, they're prepared to go out and talk to people, maybe a classmate that they've never talked to before, or a teacher or someone in the community that they've never talked to, and they're able to go out and you know, open that door and get that story.